Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GIF on a Shopify product page. So let's get started. So first things first, what you want to do is go into your online store, click online store, and from here you want to click on the customize button right here, and from here you want to go into your product. So let's go to the product page, catalog, and here it is. It is now here in our product. And as you can see, I already have the GIF right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So one method is you can go for the add block right here. And then from here, you want to go for liquid. And you would be able to see the custom liquid right here. And then basically, you would have to paste the code right here of your GIF. So let's first get our GIF. So let's go to giphy.com. And from here, let's go for buy GIFs right here, so that it would be related to our store. And from here you want to say let's say this one. I'm going to click this and click on embed, and I'm going to click on copy code, and all I have to do is paste it right here. Paste that, and just like that, click on save, and now you should have it here on your product page. And let's just wait for that one to load, and let's click on refresh right here. And let's wait for it to load, and it is now currently loading. So now here it is right here. We now have the GIF right here, just as easy as that. And you can just always reposition it wherever you'd want. So let's say right here. And yeah, you can also do that. So the other method that you have in adding GIF into your product page is you can go back. You can go to the products description itself. So click here on products, and go to the product page that you want to add GIF. So example, this one. And you want to go here into the description. And then as you can see, I have the GIF here in the description. And then you can click here on show HTML. And basically, you just need to paste the code here. So when I paste it right here, and then I'm going to hit on save. And then I'm going to go back to this right here. And then you would be able to see that it will now be added right here. So that is basically how you can add your GIF on your Shopify product page. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.